Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? Our universe is a vast and amazing place. Let's start our journey by exploring our own neighborhood, the solar system. At the heart of it all is the sun, a star that gives us light and warmth. Around the sun dance 8 planets, each with its own unique personality. There's Earth, our home, a rocky planet teeming with life. Then we have gas giants like Jupiter, with its swirling storms, and Saturn, adorned with its beautiful rings. Don't forget the rocky planets like Mars, the Red Planet, and Venus, shrouded in thick clouds. Orbiting many planets are moons like Earth's own moon, which lights up our night sky. Jupiter has dozens of moons, some with volcanoes and vast oceans beneath their icy surfaces. And then there are the smaller bodies, the asteroids and comets, rocky remnants and cosmic snowballs that travel around the sun. Beyond our solar system, we enter the realm of stars, the building blocks of galaxies. Stars are giant balls of hot gas that produce their own light and heat. They come in different sizes and colors, from small cool red dwarfs to massive hot blue giants. Stars are born in vast clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. These nebulae are like stellar nurseries, where gravity pulls the gas and dust together, eventually igniting a star. The Orion Nebula is a famous example, visible even to the naked eye as a fuzzy patch in the constellation Orion. Stars gather together in vast collections called galaxies. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy, a majestic swirl of billions of stars. There are billions of galaxies in the universe, each containing billions or even trillions of stars. As we venture further into the universe, we encounter objects that are not bound to stars or galaxies. These are the cosmic wanderers traveling through the vastness of space. Asteroids, as we've learned, are rocky remnants from the early solar system, but sometimes they can be nudged out of their orbits and sent on a journey through space. Comets, too, are cosmic travelers. As they orbit the sun, they can be influenced by the gravity of planets, altering their paths and sending them on new trajectories. Sometimes these altered paths bring comets close to Earth, treating us to spectacular celestial displays as their icy surfaces vaporize, creating long, flowing tails. Occasionally, small pieces of asteroids or comets called meteoroids enter Earth's atmosphere, creating bright streaks of light known as meteors. By studying meteorites, scientists can learn about the building blocks of planets and the conditions present during the early solar system's formation. The universe is not only filled with familiar objects like stars and planets, it also harbors some of the most extreme and mysterious entities ever discovered. Take black holes, for example. These are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Black holes form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives, their cores imploding into an infinitely dense point. Black holes are invisible to telescopes that detect light, but their presence can be inferred by their gravitational effects on nearby stars and gas. As matter falls into a black hole, it heats up and emits intense radiation, creating some of the brightest objects in the universe, called quasars. Then there are pulsars, rapidly rotating neutron stars. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded as supernovae. Pulsars emit beams of radiation from their magnetic poles, and as they spin, these beams sweep across space like a lighthouse beacon. If Earth happens to be in the path of a pulsar's beam, we detect regular pulses of radiation, hence their name. From the familiar stars in our night sky to the mind-boggling black holes, the universe is a place of endless wonder and discovery. Every time we look deeper into space, we find new and exciting objects, each with its own story to tell about the cosmos's history and evolution. We are but a small part of this grand cosmic tapestry, woven with threads of stars, galaxies, and the mysterious forces that govern it all. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale and wonder of it all. Remember that you are looking at the light from stars that has traveled for millions, even billions of years to reach your eyes. The journey of cosmic exploration is far from over, and who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the vast expanse of space.